Hi, it's Miss Mary with the Faulkner County Library, and now we are going to unbox Berenstain Bears Phonics Storytime to Go kit. All right, we are opening up the Berenstain Bears Phonics Storytime to Go kit. Handy dandy inventory sheet. Let's see what is in here. I can read the Berenstain Bears Phonics Fun, so we open it up and we can see that there are 12 books, and they'll show you, like, book 1 focuses on the short A, book 2 the short E. So I'm going to stick those back in the box and see what else is in here. Oh, I wonder what's in these plastic bags. Looks like these are some phonics cubes. Let's see here. This one is word family cubes. There's a set of kits. There's a set of cubes here, and of course a handy dandy caregiver guide. And let's see, oh, here's another one. These are blend cubes, a set of 6, and again, instructions. And these blue and red ones are lowercase alphabet cubes, and again, these also come with instructions. Here's an I Can Read the Berenstain Bears Big Track Meet book. Oh, and an adorable game. This is Sight Word Slap. Who doesn't love to slap with the fly swatter? The directions and the pieces are in here. It's a good way to practice sight words. And then a wonderful highlights Let's Practice Phonics workbook. And don't worry, this is a dry erase workbook, and it does come with a dry erase marker. So you could just erase it when you're done and stick it back in your kit and return it. We hope that these phonics kits help you guys work on your reading skills at home.